Hi guys, I'm back with the Gel Polish Beanie. So Madam Glam was kind enough to send me 4 polishes to feature on my channel. So thank you to Madam Glam. The first color is Aqua-holic, which is a blue milky color. It goes on the nail sheer, but of course you can build up opacity with more than one coat of color. Y'all know blue is my favorite color, and so of course I have the corresponding swatch stick with that color, and it's 2 coats of color on the swatch stick. The next 3 polishes are cat eye gels. This color is Fruit Punch, which is a really light pink. However, with this particular color, it was not giving me the cat eye effect that I was looking for with the magnet, and I was really surprised by that. And so I was like, and the video repeated because I couldn't get the top off. And so here it's really like a satiny type color, and so I was surprised that I couldn't get a cat eye effect with that. And so I do have 2 swatch sticks. The first one is over itself, and the second one, well, the first one is over the color Perfect Pink, and the second one is swatched over itself. And so I have a magnet here, and you can see it's not moving on the polish stick. And I was like, that's interesting. The second color is Kevin. Y'all know Kevin from Home Alone. And so this is a pink super cat eye. You can see the glitter in there. Really, really pretty color. This is, it was fabulous. And you can see with the magnet, it is doing the magnetic effect without even polishing on the nail. And so I do have, I think I did this with 3 swatch sticks. This one is over itself. Really pretty. Look how pretty that is. And the next one is over black, kind of get the same effect. And then this one is over the color Fantasy, which is like a magenta. I think all 3 of those will give a really nice effect. Very, very pretty. And so the next color is a white cat eye with shimmers, super cat eye. And so I thought this was silver, y'all, but it is white. I was like, looks silver to me, but it's white. And you can see I have the magnet there. It's giving that magnetic effect even on the nail polish or gel polish brush. And I have that. This one is over itself. The next one is over the color Fortune Glam by Madam Glam, which is a gray. I thought that was pretty as well. And so with this color, since it's white, it probably could be used on top of any color. And this one is over Perfect Black, if I'm not mistaken. Really pretty. And this one is over Under the Stars. So again, you can put this over any color because it is a white cat eye. I can see that one with some snowflakes. And so y'all, we're going to go ahead and get into this application. Now y'all listen, I had some other additional videos to record, or some other videos to record, so I was like, let me do these nail tips, because I got a bunch of nail tips with I had the intention of doing like gel nails, but didn't work out for me. And so these tips are from Beetles. They're really flimsy, and so I had this nail stand, and I'm just polishing a layer of a thin layer of base coat. And I don't think these were the right ones if you wanted to do press on nails, because they are really, really flimsy. And I probably should have lifted the little nail stand off of the holder just to polish, to get an easier application. Now y'all, I did put these on at the end, and I laughed at myself, and my husband laughed at me too. So I'm going in with a thin layer of Perfect Black on all nails. Of course, I cured the base coat. Let me back up. I cured the base coat for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with Perfect Black and curing that for 30 seconds as well. One thing I did notice with polishing these, if you do polish your own tips or whatever you want to call them, make sure that you don't get on the side of the go underneath the tip. What the heck am I saying? Because what happened was, after I did these and I went to apply them to the nail, I noticed where the polish had pulled on the side, like the edge of the nail, and so I had to do some filing there. And so I do have on one coat of Perfect Black. You guys see it's nicely pigmented, and so I'm going in with the Super Cat Eye Gel. Remember, this is a white, and just like if I were applying this to my own nails, I'm applying a thin layer of this to the nail tips, and then I'm going to use my magnet. Now you want to do, usually I will do 1 to 2 nails at a time, use the magnet to get the cat eye effect. And here's where I really should have lifted the nail off of the stand, because of the way, y'all gonna see in a minute, the way I have the magnet. Now these are 2 magnets, they just stuck together and I left well enough alone. I did not pull them apart. And so this is not Madam Glam's magnet, this is a magnet I already have, and you can see it just stuck on the side. And you can do to get whatever effect that you want. I thought this was really pretty. Y'all know I love me some magnetic gel polishes. I just think they're awesome. And you know, they do make regular nail polishes like this too, but I think with gel polishes, because they have to be cured to set it, you can get a better effect. Now that's just, I think it's awesome. Whoever created this, chef's kiss, because I just think they're fascinating. So after doing all nails and curing for 30 seconds, I'm going in with an alcohol wipe, and that's just because I'm going in with some nail stickers. And so I had these chrome like silver, they add them silver and gold. They're animals, and so I think I got these off of Shein or Temu, one of those. I think it was Temu. And I just thought the little silver cats would be nice on the nail. It kind of blended in. I think some nail stamping would have been good on this as well, or you could just left well enough alone and put some rhinestones on as well. And so I am just removing this sticker from the paper. Sometimes you got to bend the paper in order to get the sticker off. That's just what I found works best, in trying to pull them off when the paper's still straight. And I'm just applying that. I'm trying not to touch the nail. Again, the nail has uncured. Even though I wiped it off with alcohol, I still don't have a top coat on there yet. And so I just applied that using my nail tweezers and pressed that down with the silicone part of that. And I'm just putting a little heart that was on there, and you can see it kind of blends in with the nail, but I also thought it went well with the nail, if that makes sense. And so I just applied the stickers, I believe, on 2 nails, and then I'm going to on that middle finger, I'm going to apply some rhinestones. So of course, if this was my regular nails, y'all know I like extra stuff on my nails, some extra adornments on my nails, and I don't care who says anything about it, because that's what I like. And so this set kind of reminds me of a tuxedo for whatever reason, because it has gray, white, and black, those classic formal colors in my opinion. And so I'm going in with some rhinestone gel glue. I got this during the last Amazon Prime Day for the month of October, and I'm just going in and placing these rhinestones on the nail, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, because I believe the rhinestone gel glue is a 60-second cure. Now I did end up running out of nail estate. I was like, oh, then I didn't, because you see at the end, I'm right at the end, and I need to get the smallest black rhinestone on the free edge of the nail. And so I had to play around with that. It's kind of sitting right on the front of the nail. Of course, if these were my real nails, I probably wouldn't have put so many on there, and probably would have followed up with some caviar beads in between those bigger rhinestones, just to kind of make it a more unified look. And so after I get the nails cured, I do go in and apply some top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And the top coat that I use is Madam Glam's the No Wipe top coat. So coming up after I cured the top coat, these are the finished nails, nice and shiny. I do love that super cat eye over the perfect black. Again, it looks silver to me, but it is a white. And so I did apply these nails with some the nail adhesive tabs that I had, and so it looks crazy. You're gonna see the space in my nail because I have builder gel on my right hand, and I put them on top of my builder gel. Real world, you would not be doing this, let me be clear, but I just wanted to see how they look on the nail. They didn't fit, and you know, of course, you're gonna see the gap. And so I also show you the tips that I use, which are Beetles tips. I bought these quite some time ago, and they just have too much of a curve on them. Look at that mess. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Now, if you do wear press-ons, this will be a great set in my opinion to have, and you can reuse them. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, 99. So yeah. And so I just popped the nails off with some Glue Gun adhesive remover. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time.